As technology continues to advance, so do the threats to data and information. IT security focuses on protecting digital assets, systems, and networks from unauthorized access and cyber attacks. Key aspects of IT security include cybersecurity, measures to safeguard digital systems and data from cyber threats, such as malware, phishing, and ransomware attacks. Identity and access management, technologies and protocols that control user access to data and resources based on authentication and authorization. Let's explore the world of cybersecurity technologies and understand the various technologies at different stages of implementation, from deployment to pilot, planning, and those currently emerging in the field. Additionally, we'll uncover the diverse job roles that contribute to the protection of our digital world from cyber threats. In deployment, malware research tools and services. These tools and services are used by cybersecurity professionals to analyze and understand the behavior of attackers and malware. One example is VirusTotal, a web service that allows users to upload and scan files and URLs for potential malware. In pilot, sandbox-based malware analysis. Sandbox-based malware analysis involves executing the malware in a controlled environment, sandbox, to observe its behavior without causing harm to the host system. Kaspersky Lab is a well-known cybersecurity company that provides various security solutions, including sandbox capabilities for malware analysis. Signatureless endpoint detection or protection. Signatureless endpoint detection or protection is a cybersecurity approach that focuses on identifying and defending against threats without relying on traditional signatures or known patterns of malicious activity. Unlike traditional antivirus software that relies on signature-based detection to identify and block known threats, signatureless solutions use various techniques and technologies to detect and prevent both known and unknown threats, including zero-day attacks and polymorphic malware. Machine-readable threat intelligence refers to threat intelligence that is presented in a format that can be easily processed and consumed by automated systems and machines. The goal of MRTI is to enable efficient and timely sharing of threat information among different security tools, platforms, and organizations. By providing threat intelligence in a standardized machine-readable format, security teams can quickly and accurately respond to emerging threats and enhance their cybersecurity posture. In planning, endpoint isolation and remediation. Endpoint isolation and remediation is a cybersecurity technology that focuses on containing and remediating security incidents on individual endpoints, such as computers, laptops, or mobile devices. When an endpoint is compromised or suspected of being compromised, it is isolated from the network to prevent the threat from spreading. Remediation actions are then taken to remove the threat and restore the endpoint to a secure state. Example tool: Cisco Advanced Malware Protection for Endpoints. It is an endpoint security solution that uses advanced threat intelligence and behavioral analysis to detect and respond to threats on endpoints. When a threat is detected, the affected endpoint can be isolated from the network to prevent further damage, and AMP can automatically remediate the threat by removing malicious files or quarantining them for further analysis. Consolidated Access Management for Cloud Services. It is a technology that aims to centralize and streamline the management of user access to various cloud-based applications and services. It provides a unified view and control over user authentication and authorization for cloud resources. Example tool: Okta Identity Cloud. Okta is an identity and access management platform that offers consolidated access management for cloud services. It enables organizations to provide secure single sign-on (SSO) access to multiple cloud applications using a single set of credentials. Administrators can centrally manage user access, enforce multi-factor authentication (MFA), and apply security policies across different cloud services through Okta's centralized dashboard. Cloud-based adaptive authentication services. Cloud-based adaptive authentication services enhance traditional authentication methods by dynamically adjusting security measures based on the risk profile of the user and the context of the access request. It enables organizations to implement stronger authentication methods when necessary and provide a more seamless user experience when the risk is low. Example tool, Duo Security, now a part of Cisco, offers cloud-based adaptive authentication services. It assesses the risk associated with user access attempts by analyzing various factors such as the user's location, device used, and behavior patterns. Based on the risk level, Duo can prompt for additional authentication factors, like a push notification to the user's mobile device, a biometric scan, or a one-time passcode. Happening Technologies signatureless network level detection/protection. It refers to security measures that identify and defend against threats without relying on traditional signatures or patterns. Instead, they utilize behavior-based analysis to detect anomalies and potential threats in network traffic. Example tool, Darktrace is an AI-powered network security platform that uses unsupervised machine learning to understand and model the normal behavior of an organization's network. It can identify deviations from this baseline and detect potential threats in real time, even if the threats are previously unknown or have no identifiable signatures. Signatureless application level detection or protection. It focuses on identifying and mitigating threats at the application layer, without relying on specific signatures. They use behavior analysis and heuristics to detect suspicious activities and prevent application-level attacks. Example tool, Palo Alto Networks App ID is an advanced application identification and control feature provided by Palo Alto Networks' next-generation firewalls. It uses machine learning algorithms and behavioral analysis to identify and classify applications on the network, enabling security administrators to set granular policies to control and protect specific applications, even those without known signatures. Runtime Application Self-Protection. It is a cybersecurity technology that embeds security controls directly into the application during runtime. RASP monitors application behavior and enforces security policies to protect against attacks in real time. Example tool, Veracode Runtime Protection is a RASP solution that helps detect and block attacks on applications in real time. It integrates directly into the application code and can identify and prevent common security vulnerabilities such as SQL injection, cross-site scripting, and remote code execution. Hypervisor Integrated Firewalls. Hypervisor integrated firewalls are security solutions that operate at the hypervisor level to protect virtualized environments. They offer centralized security management and control for virtual machines and networks. Example tool, VMware NSX Firewall is a hypervisor integrated firewall that provides microsegmentation and security for virtualized environments. It enables granular control over communication between virtual machines and allows security policies to be applied dynamically based on the workload's context. Folder-level encryption. Folder-level encryption is a data security technique that encrypts individual folders or directories, protecting the data within them from unauthorized access, even if the system or storage is compromised. Example tool, BitLocker, Windows, and FileVault, macOS. BitLocker is a folder-level encryption feature built into Windows operating systems, while FileVault serves the same purpose on macOS. Both tools enable users to encrypt specific folders or volumes, safeguarding sensitive data from potential threats. End-user biometrics. End-user biometrics utilize unique biological traits, such as fingerprints, facial recognition, or iris scans, to authenticate and authorize users, offering a more secure and user-friendly authentication method. Example tool, Windows Hello is a biometric authentication feature integrated into Windows operating systems. It supports facial recognition and fingerprint scanning to allow users to log into their devices securely without the need for passwords. Cloud Access Security Brokers. CASBs are security solutions that act as intermediaries between cloud service providers and users, providing visibility, control, and security enforcement for cloud-based applications and data. Example tool: McAfee Vision Cloud is a CASB solution that enables organizations to secure data stored in cloud services like Microsoft 365, Google Workspace, and Salesforce. It offers features like data loss prevention, threat protection, and access control to enhance cloud security. Big Data Security Analytics involves the analysis of vast amounts of security data from various sources to detect and respond to advanced threats and security incidents effectively. Example tool: Splunk Enterprise Security is a big data security analytics platform that allows organizations to aggregate, correlate, and analyze security data from different sources in real time. It helps identify potential security incidents and provides insights into an organization's overall security posture.